Alright. It's basically like a pull day, but it's emphasizing pull day on the upper body day. We're gonna be hitting some reverse curls and some kind of some trap raises with the band. I'm gonna do 3 sets of 20. Supersetting. Good God. Love the mocha's here. Too bad my budget doesn't. Sarah, don't give it up. State Farm has options to give you a surprisingly great rate. I need those two great. My good neighbor, State Farm is there. Call us at statefarm.com for a quote today.
Hey man, we was serious about that. Let me know. We had limitations on the studio. Only couple niggas can come back there. I don't give a fuck what's going on, but that's like the spot. We got shit back there. You can't come back there.
Okay, so we're gonna do some AMRAP push-ups and pull-up combined superset, 30 seconds for each. Not coming out the jacket. It's light work. Bad too. It's gonna be beast mode. Go. Oh, I'm not going chest to bar. It's basically like kissing pull-ups. So I'm just bringing my chin close to the bar. All right, if doing push-ups by yourself, damn it. Just alone, easier, too boring for you. Do some claps, apply all that shit.
All the youngers making hits, classics, dying in a couple years. They ain't wanna sit on top of me. Ain't no love you can buy for me. Just a mosque and a wife for me. They don't wanna get high with me, just high with me. How you the king, check the catalog.
And the way I'm doing this, I'm going all the way down, extending my shit. What the fuck?
View 360, yeah. Never get it twisted like Doug Chrissy, yeah. Hologram outside with a bundle pack. And I don't sell vinyls for the bundle pack. They ain't wanna sit on top of me. Ain't no love you could buy for me. Just a mosque and a wife for me. They don't wanna get high with me, just high for me. I can't hype the faith cause I leap. I pray promises I keep. I never fold like the silk sheets. 10 piece in the lion emblem. Paparazzi render. Don't surrender. Threats we don't send them. Her temple foundation to the kingdom. Young kings at the block trending. And we low like we owe the payment. But we own the building. Yeah, they want us in the blender. It was ceilings where my hands is. Tried to keep us under. I'm leaving millions for the grandkids. Yeah, tell me what's the reason.
Came out, so it's beast mode.
Top of me. Ain't no love you could buy for me. Just a mosque and a wife for me. They don't wanna get high with me, just high for me. Hit me back as soon as you get this message.
Whew. That wasn't 30 seconds, but you should already know. Don't mind me. my cardio has been down since the pandemic, but I'm bringing it up, gotta match it with my strength, Whew. And it's gonna be the last one, starting off, it's gonna be 3 sets of these. I mean, if you're feeling super tired before starting, then do 2 sets. So that's like doing a minute of doing push-ups and pull-ups straight off. That's kind of the goal of this. It's basically endurance type workout. And also, trying to get that rep up. Doing this, I started off with doing like only 1 to 3 pull-ups. At 180, I'm like 178, 176 right now. Normal body weight is only 150. So for some of y'all that know the numbers and calculations and all that, according to their calculations, that's a big difference. Let's get these pull-ups in. I'm already fatigued, especially since 2 days ago I had to switch up my workout. Gym's being packed these days. So I gotta go let people know what it is. Excuse me. When I hit my target, told you niggas I'm the biggest. Richest that I ever been. The richest that I ever been. Richer than I ever been. Richer than I ever been. The richest that I ever been. Richest that I ever been. Richer than I ever been. Living to my full extent. Richer than I ever been. Richer than I ever been. Shit. Living to my full extent. Richer than I ever been.
And it turns out the General is a quality insurance company that
That's
has been
your
in
wave.
for 60 years.
All right. Oh, you see that? See that? This is work. We just did the superset AMRAP for 30 seconds. 3 sets for a total of 1.5 minutes. The goal is to get to 2 minutes. When it comes to stuff like this, where you doing it for time, like wall sits, plank, you should normally try to go for 2 minutes. So break it down. 4 sets 30, 8 sets of 15. You know what it is. Oh.
Put this in ours for some reason. There's 2 of them for you guys today.
Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, and if I didn't know, I'm in my garage, my home gym. We got all the good equipment. not everything the gym has, but anything you want to work out or exercise, you can do it in the gym. Cause you got me. Creativity is the key. So, you know, we're gonna superset now with some curls and one-arm dumbbell rows. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it more interesting. So we're gonna do ISO holds at the same time for these. So what you're gonna do is one arm you holding it halfway, and then the other one you just curling that mug. We're doing think like what? We'll do 4 sets of 10 of these. And then come back, boom, hit the other side. Muscle mind connect and all that. Down like. All right, so the next one. Single arm dumbbell row. This one, you really want to get the stretch from your dumbbell pulling your hand down or pulling you down with gravity. And while you bringing it up, you want your back straight. So the only thing that's moving is basically your arms, but you're squeezing your back when you bring it up as well. So it's kind of like when you're bringing it up, your chest is sticking out. So it's like, think of Kevin Hart. Say with your chest. Say with your chest. Say with your chest. And then that's gonna be in sets of 10 as well. Say with your chest. Say with your chest.
Two lessons that he passed along to his children. The first is that no matter what, you never abandon your family. The second was that no matter what, you love unconditionally. It is that kind of love that made my father the kind of father and the kind of man he is. He vowed that he would never walk away from his family, and he never has.
You know, service, Sunday service, we're trying to make this workout in purpose. Back to the curls. When it comes to superset, you're not really supposed to be resting during each exercise, because you doing the other exercise is supposed to be the rest for the other exercise. But you know, starting off, a lot of people don't have the capability to muscle and body connectivity where you can make your body multitask and be efficient at the same time.
That's just all he know, he don't know nothing else. I tried to show him. Yeah. I tried to show him. Yeah. Yeah. Gonna know you with the pick and roll.
Say it with your chest. Say it with your chest.
Say it with your chest. Make this here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys. That's Nike boys out in our coast. This shit way too big. When we pull up, give me the loot. Was off the Remy, had up at post. Had to hit my old town, the Dunkin' News. 2-4-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's going here, man. I'm back on popping with the crew. I just landed in JB mixes pop like Jamba Joe's. Different color chains, see my jewelry in his shoes. And they joking, man. Know the crackers, bitch, you was a song. Someone said.
Surrender retreat, we all in too deep. Play, go play us.
Someone said.
Surrender retreat, we all in too deep. Play, go play.
This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in the group. Get my essays, I need the pooch. I can turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her I've been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Had to slap the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I said, the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I gotta open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue.
Just a heads up, I would really like to do supersets because I don't like sitting and waiting to do the exercise. Like I just did it because I feel like it's a waste of time. So if I have to wait for the other exercise, I do something that keeps me busy, you know? You know, just be throwing punches, you know? If you want to. Walk around, skip, run, do another exercise. Duffel bag, duffel bag.
That's what I like, that's what we like. Lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit ready like on Shaq. See the shots that I took,
Hey.
wet like on Book,
Hey.
wet like on Lizzie. I'll be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm busy.
Till I'm busy.
Like where is he?
Back where is he?
No one seen him.
No.
Trying to clean him.
Clean him. Hey.
She's in love with who I am.
Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance.
Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I didn't have a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out
Like a light,
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 like a light.
like a light.
Yeah,
Brothers,
and in Texas,
and then kites.
yeah, he said keep that on lock. I say you know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's
That's a loop.
yeah. I'm back with Boo. La Ferrari, Jamba Juice. Yeah, we back on the road. They jumping off no parachute. Yeah, shorty in the back. She said she working on the glutes.
On the glutes. Not a book.
Solid look.
Solid look.
Bottom check, just check the fronts, yeah. Pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama couple fours, got these other bitches shook, yeah.
Last set, best set, actually. I forgot to say that out loud in my head. I was saying last set, best set, like I'm in the gym. So people think I'm being crazy on crack. It's a pre-workout.
Happy Friday, Mama.
But when it comes to the last set of that exercise, always remember, last set is the best set. Every set before that is just a warm-up for the next set. Remember that. We're not here to do less than what we did before. We're here to progress. We're here to improve. We're here to go up. In the words of Fat Joe, I'm going all the way up. You gotta feel the magic. Fuck up. Okay, that was 4 sets, 10 reps of hammer curls with ISO alternating holds. Long word, just say ISO hammers. Can't touch it. Then we did single arm roll, cause you know why not? Focus more, give more attention to each exercise. I mean, each side of the muscle or muscle part. Because, you know, we multitask with the first one by doing a hammer hold curl and then the regular hammer hold. Okay, and then for the last one, it's going to be high rep, high volume. Basically kind of like a pyramid. So you're going to start at somewhere where you could do 15 to 20, but you feeling it during that 15 to 20. And we're going wide grip under, and we're pulling closer to the lower. So you gotta get closer right here, so I'll show you. So, you know, you come in slanted, it'll be easier. As you see, my hand is underhand, and then you're pulling, hold as much as you can, and then slowly let it go. It's okay to pull it down like that, where it's like, you know, put it force. As long as you holding it right here, it's not, you know, jerking you like that, because then you just look like a fucking ragdoll. And you also don't want to go right here because you make a noise. You know, nobody wants that shit. Interrupting people's pieces in the gym. So, you know, why not control it? Going down. Get it under the nipples. And also, say with your chest. Say with your chest. Say with your motherfucking chest. Aw, shit. I don't even know what's rep more. I'm just gonna do 10 more. The more the better. If y'all waiting for me and doing this at the same time, I can do the coupe yourself while y'all wait. This is a perfect song to work on too. Cause you most likely gonna be moving. Oh. Hey. All right. Enough of the bullshit. Come on. We moved it up one, so it's a lot heavier. Now kick, now pull. I gotta put this shit up again. Walk it by yourself. Put your back on the map and pull that shit with ease. Woo. God damn. Don't cheat that shit. Hold on. Don't cheat this shit. It's all mine. Ain't nobody doing this better than me but me. I got my ass beat by the weights. Hold on. Sorry guys, you gotta do a little intermission right quick.
You know the roof on fire. We go booty hoogie, jiggle, wiggle and dance like the roof on fire. We go drink drinks and take shots until we fall out like the roof on fire. Now baby, get my booty naked, take off all your clothes and light the roof on fire. Tell them, baby, I'm on fire. I tell them, baby, I'm on fire at all.
All right. Woo. What we got?
VIP my squad, drop off all the game. VIP the lane, VIP the chain. VIP my squad, drop off all the game.
All right. Ooh. I think this is like 150. 145. Last time it was 107. Let's kill ourselves. Cause you know, what is it called that? I'm gonna be born again, and I'm gonna be stronger. Okay.
Fuck with me, I got a rotate on the hit, man.
Hit, man.
Barely came up out the mud like quicksand. Show you how to get meals, nigga. That's a meal plan. Yeah, in the alarm. Cardiac press on all my arm. Yeah, ain't on my son. In the wheelchair and I still perform. I don't make excuses. You know that I'm hungry and still got a juice. You said it all like it clear. I said it all like it boost.
One thing about me, I'm super strong, but I'm limited by my grip. So I feel like I got a carpal tunnel in this hand. I feel like I wrote 5-page essay in cursive. Google cursive for y'all that's born, what, 2005 and newer.
Touchscreen on my cars. This is 1 or 2. I just bought a watch this plane like a Dickie suit. I sipped some red wine and chased it with the 42. They asked me what I call million.
And then the last one, I would say drop it 2 plates down or 2 plates lighter. Kind of confusing because it's like you lighten the weight, but you're putting the pin up instead of dropping the weight. And remember, last set, best set. If you've been cheating your reps before this, exercising close, so you've been working out for 45 minutes. Actually, like 35 bullshit in 10 minutes. But yeah, if you've been cheating the reps or whatnot, this is where you're supposed to be going ham at the end of the fucking set for the exercise. If every rep and every set before the last set was bullshit and shitty, you had a spotter, you had somebody assisting you, you had bands or whatever, when you in that last set, you better take one of them shits off.
Hello.
Get it.
Move range closed.
Do 5 more. And that's what it means by last set, best set. You don't cheat yourself. You expect more of yourself when it's last set, best set. You think you can only do 8, you push that shit to do 12. Because it's last set, best set. I mean, you don't know when you ever get the opportunity to prove yourself that you could do better than what you ever did.